Jonathan is a Korean national who has been going in and out of the country for several years now. He wants to know whether he can adopt an abandoned child so that he will be able to help such child have a future. Jonathan, under Republic Act number 8043 or the Intercountry Adoption Law of the Philippines, intercountry adoption should only be the last resort. The Intercountry Adoption Board shall ensure that all possibilities for adoption of the child under the family code have been exhausted and that intercountry adoption is in the best interest of the child. According to law, only a legally free child may be the subject of an intercountry adoption. Since you intimated that the baby is founding or has been abandoned, the following documents must be submitted by you. First, study. Second, a foundling certificate. Third, a decree of abandonment, medical evaluation or history, and the recent photo of the child. You may also comply with the following conditions: that you are at least 27 years of age and at least 16 years older than the child to be adopted, and the spouses or the person must jointly adopt or jointly file a petition for adoption. The adopter must have the capacity to act and assume all rights and responsibilities of parental authority under his national laws and has undergone the appropriate counseling from an accredited counselor in their country. You must not have been convicted of a crime involving moral turpitude, and you are eligible to adopt under your national law. You must also be in a position to provide the proper care and support and to give the necessary moral values and example to the child to be adopted. And you have to agree to uphold the basic rights of the child as embodied under Philippine laws, the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child, and to abide by the rules and regulations issued to implement the provisions of Republic Act 8043. You must also come from a country with whom the Philippines diplomatic relations and his government maintains a similarly authorized and accredited agency, and that adoption is allowed under your national laws. And you should possess all the qualifications and none of the disqualifications provided under the law. The application to adopt a Filipino child may be filed before the regional trial court that has jurisdiction over the child or with the Intercountry Adoption Board, and the application must be accompanied by the following documents: birth certificate of the applicant, marriage contract, if any, physical, medical, and psychological evaluation by licensed physician and psychologist, income tax returns, or any document showing the financial capability of the applicant, police clearance, character reference from the local church or minister, and the applicant's employer is a member of an immediate community who have known the applicants for at least 5 years, and a recent postcard-sized picture by the applicant. Before the application for adoption may be granted, you have to undergo family selection or matching. This is because our law requires that no child shall be matched to a foreign adoptive family unless it is satisfactorily known that the child cannot be adopted locally. Be reminded that our opinion is based solely on the information you provided us, and it may change depending on any additional information. You're free to consult a lawyer of your choice regarding your legal concerns. Email us at ptv4newscenter@gmail.com. Attorney Jimeno Atienza for the Rule of Law.